Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to do it, and how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do an awesome job. I have a state report project that's for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on Florida. Florida was the 27th state to join our union on March 3rd, 1845. Now, the original governor was a guy named William Moseley. Today, we call the capital Tallahassee, but that wasn't always the case. At one point in time, there were actually two other capitals, Pensacola and St. Augustine. But like I said, today's capital is Tallahassee. Now, the state flag is really cool. It consists of the state seal in the center of it with these red bars coming from the corners to the seal itself in the center. The state bird is the northern mockingjay. The state tree is the sable palm. The state flower is the orange blossom. And the state nickname is, of course, the Sunshine State. The state motto is kind of cool. It is, "In God We Trust." If that sounds familiar to you, it's probably because you've seen it on our American currency. Now, hopefully this is enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, do a great job on this project. You got this! Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.